Hi everyone, thank you for watching my videos. This one is another with a lemon design. I'm using matte top coat over white gel polish, also Normandy green, lemon, May choice and big bank blue. Also inner warmth for the sketch of the design. These are the gel polishes that I'm using. And this is a very long and nice brush, Pepine's Choice, with very fine bristles. So I'm doing a couple of lines, straight ones, and then like a checkered flag. And these are going to be filled in with blue, and the other ones with a little bit of red. This is, of course, your own design as well. If you want to do it slightly different, you can do it whichever way you prefer. And this is just my way of showing, and I hope you get inspired. So one side is like this and another like a checkered pattern. I've been inspired with by the Amalfi Costa designs, and this is one of the tiles that I saw in the gift shops. So I'm using the inner warmth gel polish, and I'm using detailer number 2 brush over the still wet design, and just painting a shape of lemons. It doesn't matter, it's a little bit of brown mixed with white gel polish. I'm gonna go over with yellow colors, so it doesn't matter. First are the lemons and a couple of leaves around. I saw this design and I just copied it slightly, giving it my own twist to the pattern and to the design, and trying to fit it on the actual nail tip. So here are going to be some leaves on the side and inside the lemons. There are the Big Bang Blue filled in with some of the lines, and you see the red one I already did with a Mace Choice red gel polish. Here is blue and then the green. Each color I cured in the lamp so then they don't blend anymore. Here is Normandy green gel polish. I mixed a little bit of this color later with yellow, so then I could make a couple of different shades of green over the leaves, and the same with the lemons. So the lemon is the lemon gel polish, and also can be mixed a little bit with mimosa as well to make it slightly brighter, or with white if you prefer. Just fill in all the shape, and if you like it, then you can cure it in the lamp. Each layer cured in the lamp, then it's easier to play around. Then, as you see, a slightly brighter green on top of that, just playing. Later I'm gonna use a black and white liner gel to define all the shape, but at the moment just building up the color. On top slightly lighter color, and on the bottom slightly darker. I will actually use a little bit of brown and red mixed with yellow, so then I will give those lemons a little bit of shadows on the bottom and give them slight natural look. And here is the yellow mixed with a little bit of red, tiny little bit of red, and then I have a nice orange color. Just painting one side of the lemon, so then I have a nice shade on the bottom. Filling it up and adding slightly more each time curing in the lamp. Later I will also use this inner warmed brown color and mix also with slightly with yellow, and then give the lemon just a couple of freckles, giving it either more natural look. You don't have to do this part, but I thought it's nice to know that there's a couple of options. Then using black liner gel and the very fine Pepine's Choice brush, I'm doing outlines of the leaves and the lemon as well. Let's zoom in slightly so you can see it better. Each leaf gets an outline and little veins inside. You can turn the tip whichever way you like. Of course, if this is a customer's hand, make sure you don't twist the wrist and it's comfortable for you and for a customer. Give it the lemon's outline as well and drawing the little tip. I want to give it as natural look as possible. And this is what it's needed for the tip to be more lemony. That's it there. I'm using my mobile phone to record these videos and sometimes it loses the focus, but I hope you can see it well. I try to look after every part of the design so then it's nice and visible and it's very detailed then. That's it, the lemons outside and inside there as well. And the checkered design I also fixed with the black liner gel. And here are the leaves as well and little veins inside. Each time I have to pick up a little bit of the gel. Okay, so at the end it is the matte top coat, extreme matte top coat, applied evenly. If you would like to have it a very nice matte effect, it's good if you apply it twice. Of course, before I applied the top coat, I cured it in the lamp all the previous layers. And now I'm using Katarina's Choice brush and applying a couple of highlights on the leaves and on the lemons. The highlights don't have to be applied everywhere, unlike the black design, it's defining all the design, where the highlight is just to be applied in the spots that are shining the most, where the sun is reflecting the lemons. So it doesn't have to be everywhere, just where you feel like it. Maybe on one side of the lemon, not necessarily everywhere, definitely not necessarily on the bottom. But if you feel like you want it there, that's also fine. That's no problem at all. Just try and play with this. Just fun. Okie dokie. So that's my design. I hope you liked it and give it a try. If you are also inspired by Italian designs, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you like it, you can share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Enjoy the design. Thank you so much. Bye.